this the rapist case is decreasing day by day in our country. I know there is a lots of rapes around our country, but they are not exposed or they are not tortured in a same way. The way Momita faced actually.
Yeah, actually, bro, nearly 1 month later, your country political system is totally bad. When Sheikh Hasina has left prime minister post, after that there are lots of violation is doing in your country, and Hindu and Muslim are fighting each other. It's true or false?
It's not true, brother. The present scenario is different. The whatever your news, your country's news is presenting, this is not the actual news actually, because the current situation is aggressive and totally is abnormal. I admit it, but the way you was talking about that, there is a religious conflict. There is no religious conflict in our country. There is only political conflict. I think you get it. There
Yeah,
is no religious conflict. There is
yeah,
only
bro.
political conflict. The Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina was in the reign for the last 15 years. Did you get me?
Yeah, yeah, I know.
Last 15 years. Last 15 years, she was ruling our country. In this time, she created lots of enemy. She has a party, and she used to arrest every political leader of the opposite party, and that is why after the departure of Hasina, the opposite party is raising up, and they are attracting to the people who were involved in Awami League, or who were involved in Hasina's party. And if the people, if they don't target the religion, they are targeting the people who were involved with Hasina. And if the person is involved in the Hindu, if the person is Hindu,
Mhm.
if the Hindu were involved with Hasina's party, then they attacked on Hindu, and if the person was Muslim, then they attacked on the person. So that means they are attacking to the person who were involved with Hasina's politics, not they are attacking to the religion.
Actually,
I
bro,
think you get it.
yeah, actually, bro, the main correct issue I didn't found any well result that satisfy me, because Sheikh Hasina is the prime minister. Suddenly, what is the reason happened that she have to left the prime minister post in suddenly?
Mhm. We forced her. I forced her. Not only we forced her to leave this country,
Oh,
because she was getting dictator day by day.
okay.
Is it
So,
possible to stay in a power for 15 years? She was in power for the last 15 years, and she was getting dictator day by day.
oh,
And we just acknowledge her. We were supporting her. I used to support her parties. I did politics, and all of my friends, as we were a student, all of my friends used to support her, because she was developing a lot in our country, and she developed infrastructure a lot. But the thing is, when when we were demanding we claim our demand that we want uh, we want a justice, a proper distribution of government jobs. There will not be any quota system in job sector, in government job sector, because there were a quota system, where generally government job were distributed to the student according to the quota system.
mhm.
The quota was all about 56%. 56% job was distributed to the according to the quota, and 44% job was distributed to the meritorious student. according to the merit. So
No,
can you imagine the discrimination in government job?
it's there is big discrimination, but I want to know.
Discrimination.
Yeah, yeah, I understand. But there is one thing in which party was available for quota system. Actually, the student was the student was not offering for quota system. So which was offering for this system?
This system was offering by the government because the people who were supporting Hasina's government, they got this kind of quota, this kind of freedom fighter quota or
Oh,
others quota, and who and Hasina was offering for for the quota holder, and she offered 56% job for the quota holder and 44% for the meritorious person for the merit. So that is why students were protesting this kind of system. And when students were protesting, and Hasina shoot at the chest of the student, and
wow.
she murdered all about more 400 students. Can you imagine?
Yeah, I can. I had watched lots of news related to your country, so that was
Mhm.
very dangerous moment I was seeing.
she cut she cut down internet connection to massacre here, to create genocide here, and finally she did more than 400 murder
Oh
in
my
Dhaka
God.
city and over the country, and that is why we just wanted her resign, because
Oh God. You,
there won't be no negotiation, no no meeting with a murderer.
bro,
There
as
is lots of blood in our hand. My friends, my close friends were shooted.
oh
So how
God.
can we negotiate with this murderer? As she killed our brother, how can we negotiate with her?
Oh
Why she
God.
will shoot at our brothers? They were just demanding for a justice. They were just demanding for a job with their married. They have married. I have married. Why I will not demand for a job?
Yeah, bro,
If you have merit, come with us, appear in a exam. If you are passed, then you get the job. Why you will come with a quota? If you don't have any merit, so everyone will ask for justice in this case. And
yeah,
we were asking for the same thing. Why you would shoot at us?
yeah, actually, bro,
And
as
so she killed more than 400 students. Why we will support her again?
uh,
And we were supporting her because of her development. She were developing a lot in our country. We have to admit it, but we cannot compare the development with our blood. You know.
yeah, yeah, bro, I can understand your emotion. But actually, as you are telling, 400 student has died to attack of Sheikh Hasina. It is totally hide in all reporter. Like in my country, never any reporter don't say about it because totally Sheikh Hasina has hide this matter because no one is not know.
Sheikh,
Yeah,
Sheikh Hasina was hiding this matter because of the pressure of because of the international pressure. Because if the Human Rights Commission know about this kind of issue, she will got pressurize. That is
actually,
why she was hiding. And the main thing is, there was a communication shutdown in our country
yeah.
for the last 10 days. She cut down all mobile data connection and broadband connection
Hmm.
to to hide her miscreant, to hide her genocide.
Yeah,
I think the total amount of murder is more than 400 because nobody know about the amount.
yeah, it's a nearly it's a amazing account, na?
Yes, it's really unimaginable.
Yeah,
And there is lots of thing regarding this issue, as she was in power for the last 15 years, and she used to hide person. She used to arrest a person and take the person to the secret detention. You know the meaning of secret detention?
yeah, I know, bro. It's like some.
Do you know the meaning of secret detention?
Yeah, yeah, I know, yaar.
Hello,
Yeah, bro, I know.
brother.
Hello, bro. I'm listening. Yeah, just continue. Actually, my phone screen was off. When my phone screen off, so automatic my voice is not going. But your voice was continuously coming. So I was able to listening. But after open my screen, now I am audible to you, I think.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Actually, she used to arrest the person who opposite, who were against her opinion, against her personal opinion. She did not tolerate the opposite party's opinion. She just arrest them and send them to the secret detention. Do you know the meaning of secret detention?
Yeah, I know, bro.
This is like a secret jail
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
where nobody knows about them. And we found lots of person who were detained in this kind of secret jail for the last 10 years, 12 years. And very recently we found a military general who were protesting against her crime. This person were detained in this kind of secret jail for the last 10 years, and his wife were waiting for him for the last 9 years, and she was searching for him, and nobody let